Hi, my name is Cem Vardar. I'm the builder of simple census data. And then in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a very simple demographic analysis using census data. US Census data is very big and complicated, and then getting into it can be challenging. But the most useful parts of it can be really simplified, and you can start using it for useful analysis right away if you learn a few simple concepts. So in this tutorial, we are going to walk through three things, right? So we are going to learn what's a census block group, which is a geographical area where the Census Bureau reports its results. And then how is simple census metrics organized around census block groups? And then we are going to walk through how to do a very simple demographic analysis using census data at the census block groups. Once you go through this, you'll be able to use our data and then start doing useful analysis. So let's start with census block groups. Census block groups are geographical areas where US Census Bureau has defined, and then they report various metrics for these areas, right? So if you look at the map, just to visualize it, I put a map here, and each of these boxes are a census block group that the Census Bureau has defined. So if I remove them, this is the city of Phoenix, and then if I put them back, Census Bureau has divided these areas into census block groups. And what they do is they report various statistics like population, income, age, sex, race, education level, and hundreds of different data points for these areas, right? So in this example, what we are mapping here is the income level within 2 miles of Phoenix city center. So this marker here marks the Phoenix, Arizona city center. And then I have put all the census block groups within 2 miles radius of Phoenix city center. And when you visualize it, the green areas are higher income and then red areas are lower income. But the main point I'm trying to make here is once you understand census block groups and then get access to simple data such as income, age, and population, you can start doing really useful analysis, right? So let's move on. So how is the census block group data organized, right? I have put here an example from our data sets, right? So we have census block groups, and then each of them has an ID that the US Census Bureau has given. It has latitude and longitude, which is the location of the census block group, so that you can map them or you can calculate the distance from a specific point you are interested in. So in here, I have calculated the distance from this Phoenix city center for these census block groups, so that I can pick all the census block groups within 2 miles of Phoenix city center. And we have, I picked three very simple metrics from the census data: median household income, median age, and the total population, right? So once you have this data, you can see that you can start doing some analysis and some estimations for an area that you are interested in. So let's do our first demographic analysis, right? So let's look at all the census block groups within 1 mile of Phoenix, Arizona city center. And what we can do is we can, and then there's, I think 12 census block groups in that area. So I have filtered to just the ones that are within 1 mile of Phoenix city center. And we have the income levels for each of those census block groups, right? So what you can do is you can take the average of those, and then you get something like 39K, and then you can do the same thing for the age, median age. You take the average of that, and then it gives you something like 36. And for population, average doesn't make sense, so we sum up the population, right? So this is a very simple demographic analysis for the Phoenix city center within 1 mile, right? So this can be used, for example, if you are thinking of opening a business or if you are going to compare one area with the other, you have now useful statistics saying that, okay, this area is uh, earns like around like 39K household income, and then you might look at another area and then you have like, I don't know, maybe like 60K income, and then you can definitely conclude one area has lower income population and then the other area has higher income population, right? Using this, you can act on many different things, right? You can decide like where to market your products, you can decide where to locate your business, like a restaurant or a cafe or a gym or things like that. And then, for example, age might be interesting for like your target demographic. Like you might be, your business might be targeting younger people or older people, and so on, right? So this is like what I've shown here is like a very simple demographic analysis using our data. And our data contains like things like race and family size, family type, like single households versus family households, families with kids, and so on. So even though this is a very simple analysis, we still got some useful results that can be used for some business decisions, right? So if we summarize like what we have learned, we learned about like census block groups, which are the census bureau's definition for areas and where the various metrics, census metrics are reported. We learned how census metrics are organized around census block groups, and then we did a very simple demographic analysis that could be used for making various types of decisions. So thanks for listening. Check out our other tutorials, check out our data on our website, and have a good day.